Have you ever wondered how AI can revolutionize the transportation industry? Well, let's dive into that. The integration of artificial intelligence in transportation is accelerating at an astonishing pace, bringing promises of increased safety, heightened efficiency, and robust sustainability. Imagine a world where autonomous vehicles rule the roads, reducing human error and potentially saving countless lives. Or consider the potential of AI in traffic management, where intelligent systems can analyze and predict traffic flow, easing congestion and reducing commute times. Even the maintenance of our transportation infrastructure can be transformed through AI-driven predictive maintenance, identifying potential issues before they become costly, disruptive problems. The impact of AI in the transportation industry is far-reaching and profound, touching every aspect of our travel experiences from our daily commutes to long-distance journeys. But how exactly does AI achieve this? To better understand, consider the case of Tesla's self-driving cars. Tesla, a pioneer in electric vehicles, has also been a leader in integrating AI into transportation. This statement isn't just about their electrified powertrains, it extends to their groundbreaking work in autonomous driving technology. The foundation of Tesla's self-driving cars is artificial intelligence. It's the brain behind the machine, the unseen co-pilot that assists or even takes over the driving process. The car's sensors and cameras act like the eyes and ears, collecting data about the vehicle's surroundings. This data is then processed in real time, using AI to identify objects, interpret traffic signs, and understand the behavior of other road users. But artificial intelligence isn't just about understanding the environment, it's also about making decisions. When a Tesla vehicle encounters a situation, the AI determines the best course of action. Whether it's deciding when to change lanes, when to brake, or how to navigate a complex intersection, the AI is constantly making decisions, and doing so in fractions of a second. Learning from experiences is another key aspect of Tesla's AI. Through machine learning and deep learning algorithms, Tesla's AI can improve over time. Each driving experience is a lesson, and with millions of Teslas on the road, that's a lot of lessons. These algorithms allow the AI to recognize patterns and make increasingly accurate predictions, enhancing its ability to navigate complex environments. However, integrating AI into transportation is not without its challenges. Ensuring safety is paramount. The AI must be able to react appropriately in unpredictable situations and be able to handle the immense variability of real-world driving. It's a monumental task, as the AI must be prepared for every possible scenario, from a child running into the street to a sudden hailstorm. There's also the challenge of public acceptance. Many people are still wary of the idea of a car driving itself, and trust needs to be built before self-driving cars can become mainstream. While Tesla's self-driving cars showcase the potential of AI in transportation, they also highlight the challenges that need to be overcome. The journey towards full autonomy is a long and winding road, but with each mile we're getting closer to the destination. As we've seen with Tesla, AI holds immense potential to transform transportation. It's not just about self-driving cars, but about a comprehensive shift in how we move from point A to B. AI's role in enhancing safety cannot be overstated. By eliminating human error, which accounts for a significant number of accidents, we're looking at a future where road fatalities could be drastically reduced. Moreover, AI promises to amplify efficiency. Imagine a world where traffic flow is optimized in real time, reducing congestion and saving countless hours. Sustainability is another key area. With the potential to optimize routes and reduce unnecessary travel, AI could significantly cut down on carbon emissions. Of course, there are challenges. These include ethical dilemmas, cybersecurity risks, and the need for robust regulatory frameworks. But by addressing these, we can pave the way for a future where AI-driven transportation is the norm. So, as AI continues to evolve, it's worth watching how it will reshape the journey ahead in the world of transportation. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos about AI.